Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering and preparing the watch. Plug the USB-C cable in and charge at least 30 minutes. The battery icon shows progress. While charging, open the Boat Crest app on your phone, enable Bluetooth and location, and sign in or create an account. This links data and notifications. Once done, remove the watch, press and hold the power button to boot. Make sure the watch language and region match your phone for seamless pairing. This avoids later sync issues. Now pair and configure. In the app, tap Add Device and either scan the QR shown on the watch or choose Ultima Ember from the model list, then confirm the pairing code. This ensures secure connection. Next, allow notifications and health permissions when prompted, because the watch relies on those for message alerts and activity tracking. Once paired, sync time, pick a watch face you like, and accept any firmware updates. Updating first prevents bugs during deeper setup and optimizes battery life. Finish by tailoring features and confirming function. Customize widgets and notification priorities in the app, then run a quick walk or heart rate test to verify sensors. This explains why readings may need calibration when values look off. Once satisfied, enable sleep tracking and auto screen wake so the watch works naturally with your day. If pairing or sync fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and then re-attempt pairing. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort to clear persistent faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.